We've all heard of burning fat through calorie reduction and exercise, but burning body fat while you sleep? We need to talk about this. Most people are doing one of these two things. You're either burning body fat all night or blocking it completely while you sleep. And most men over 50 are doing one thing every night that shuts this down. This isn't about extra workouts or taking fat burners. This comes down to how your metabolism behaves while you're sleeping. If you're over 50, you've probably felt this. You're training hard and you're trying to eat better, but the midsection just doesn't seem to change, at least not in the direction you want it to change. And here's what most people never get told. Fat loss isn't just about what happens in the gym. A big part of fat loss is influenced during the 6 to 8 hours you're sleeping, but only if your body is in the right metabolic state. So you may be asking, what's the real factor involved here? It's your body's ability to switch fuels overnight. It's a real thing, and it's called metabolic flexibility. While you sleep, your body has two options. Keep running on circulating glucose from late meals or switch to stored body fat for energy. The main regulator here is insulin, and I know most of you have heard a lot said about insulin and insulin sensitivity. And the way your insulin is affected in this situation is if it stays elevated late into the night, your body has a harder time accessing the stored fat. But when insulin drops and recovery hormones rise, your body shifts toward repair, recovery, and a greater fat use. You're not magically melting fat overnight, but you are creating a system where your body consistently taps into stored fat while you rest. And over time, that's what changes your physique. I'm going to show you in a moment how to do this. Now, all of you who are over 50 know things shift as you age. Insulin sensitivity declines, sleep gets lighter, recovery has a tendency to slow down, and stress seems to stay elevated longer. So habits that didn't matter before when we were younger now matter a lot more. It's not that your metabolism is broken, it's that your body is spending too much time in storage mode, especially at night when you're sleeping. Here's how you flip the switch. Nothing extreme, just doing some of the basic things right. First, you want to stop eating right before bed. Late night eating, especially mixed meals with carbs and fats, keeps insulin elevated longer. That delays your body's ability to shift into fat use. You want to give yourself 2 to 3 hours between your last meal and sleep. That one change alone can make a difference over the course of time. Second is for you weightlifters out there that like to do protein before bed. And you need to remember it's all about control. You've heard me talk about casein protein before bed, and yes, a slow protein can support recovery. It's a good thing. But here's where many men get this wrong. They don't just have protein. It turns into a full late night meal. Now you've got extra calories, carbs, fats, and insulin stays elevated longer into the night. This will absolutely delay fat burning. So the issue isn't the protein, it's how much and what comes with the protein. If you're lean and focused on muscle building, a small controlled protein serving will work fine for you. But if you're trying to lose body fat, and that is your goal, you may do better getting your protein earlier in the day and giving your body a longer window overnight to tap into this stored fat. And that leads me to this point, which is get your protein earlier in the day. A lot of men undereat protein early, then load it up at night. And that leads to bigger meals, bigger insulin spikes, right when your body should be winding down. The better approach for you would be to spread your protein through the day. Support recovery early so your body isn't trying to catch up late at night. And guys, I know this is so hard to do, and many of you have a problem with this, but you need to protect deep sleep because most fat use signaling and recovery happens during deep sleep. If sleep is poor, fat loss slows down even if your training is perfect, solid. It still slows down. Simple fixes that you can lean on is consistent schedules with a cool, dark room, and you need to limit your screen time before bed. Because sleep isn't just rest, it's metabolic regulation, and it's something we have to have if we want to see improvements in our physique. And hey, here's the good news for all you weightlifters. Strength training drives the entire system. Lifting weights is that signal. It tells your body, we need to repair and rebuild tonight. And that process increases energy demand even during sleep. So over time, your body becomes more efficient at using stored energy to support this process. And that's why strength training changes body composition, even outside of the gym. So you want to lift weights with real intent, and you want to lift weights with real intensity. And then following that, you want to be sure you're reducing your late night stresses, because high stress late at night keeps cortisol elevated. And this is going to disrupt your sleep. It's going to keep your blood sugar elevated, and it's going to interfere with your fat usage. Even a short wind down routine can help your body shift into recovery mode. Fat loss isn't just about burning calories. It's about creating a body that can access stored energy consistently. And for us men who are over the age of 50, a big part of that happens while you sleep. So the real metabolic secret is not a supplement. It's this: stop blocking your body from doing what it's already designed to do at night. Fix your evening habits. It's that simple. All right, guys, that's all I have for this one. If you liked the video, be sure to hit the like button. If you have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do that now. And then you can check out this video right here.